Another absolute fabulous hot hatchback has arrived. This is the deep black metallic Volkswagen Golf R, the market, the newest edition, new generation vehicle with just over 2,000 miles on a 72 registration. Cracking car, under manufacturer's warranty till 2025, 320 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds, and the Golf Rs, they're absolutely superb, four-wheel drive motion on them. They look superb, but they're such a reliable car, they're quick, and they just look absolutely brilliant. Now this one being the new model has new technology, starting from the outside on the headlights all the way down to the inside. So with the front, it is a Golf R, it's the best you can get in the Golf range, so you have all the nice features like the enhanced front bumper, all the black sections, the air vents, front rear parking sensors, and then this one's got the IQ lighting system, which is the LED matrix headlights with 22 LEDs in there, and the LED daytime running lights. You've also got this lovely LED light that goes all the way across the front grille, which looks really good. And with it being the Golf R, you have the blue detailing. A couple of big extras on the Golf R, because they do come very well spec'd as standard, but the wheels is a must. Now they're the upgraded 19-inch alloy wheels, absolute perfect condition, diamond cut on the outside and high gloss black on the inside. And then you have the blue Golf R brake calipers as well. The satin chrome ring mirror covers, and that's how you identify straight away that it is a Golf R. Sun protection glass, and as for the interior, again, another stunning example of that lovely contrasting colour of grey and blue. A bucket style sport seats with Alcantara, touchscreen media system. You've got things like heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, flat bottom steering wheel, and obviously have the automatic gearbox. This one then has the full panoramic glass roof, which also tilts up. And then you have ambient lighting, which starts up with the door cards, door pockets, centre dash, and all the way down the middle as well. Remember, it's a hot hatchback, so it's a 5-door, 5-seater, family friendly, but it looks super sporty even with a 5-door. And that's what's really good about it, because you can really enjoy this car every single day. It's a very practical car, whilst keeping in mind the buzz factor of the 320 brake horsepower. It sounds superb and it looks absolutely stunning. Round the back, the IQ lighting continues with the individual LEDs and the sweeping dynamic indicators. The quad tailpipes, so again from the back you know right away that this is top of the range, and the F1 style rear diffuser. The new R logo is bang in the middle below the VW badge. Press the VW badge and you've got yourself a very good sized boot. Seats go down 60-40, the shelf comes out completely, and underneath here you have some more cubbyhole space as well. And like I said, the Golf Rs do come very well spec. When you're looking at one, the pan roof and the big wheels for me are very important features that really set this one apart from all the other Golf Rs that were available. I'll close the doors, reach over for me if you would. As you come in here, you have the new digital dashboard. That's all lovely. It's sort of up-to-date, modern, crisp. The elongated paddle shift, all the blue detailing because it's a Golf R. There's a heated steering wheel, the adaptive cruise control, and all other settings as it is a multifunctional. You've also got the different sport mode and drive mode by pressing the R button there. Push button start is just here. And then when you put it in reverse, the reversing camera on this car comes on, which may I add is not standard, that is an extra. That's a nice little feature on its own. Down below here you have the wireless charging pad with more ambient lighting, cup holders, 2 keys, but because the car's in 2,000 miles, it is like in new condition. It's absolutely superb. But the car sounds brilliant, it goes brilliant, and like I say, in this case, you have the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. Awesome car, just arrived. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.